Hey, what's up guys, how's Rap here, and today I'm going to tell you how you can very easily solve the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Android smartphone. So you might be seeing an exclamation mark right here next to your Wi-Fi symbol and you may not be able to connect to the internet. So today we'll see how you can solve that issue. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this and let's see how it's done. So first things first, let's check that your router's cables are connected properly and maybe restart your router and maybe even restart your Android smartphone. This will help get the unknowns out of the way and help ensure that nothing's wrong with your router or your Android smartphone, and it might be a very simple fix as well. If a simple restart does not work for you, let's move ahead and see the other solutions that we have. So the very first solution is pretty simple. It is just to reset your date and time, and in majority of the cases this simple problem is what causes Wi-Fi not to connect. All you have to do is just go into your phone settings and then go on to date and time and just go ahead and make sure that you're using the network provided time and the network provided time zone. So you can just turn these buttons on and off and your time should get set automatically, and this simple trick should fix your Wi-Fi and you should be able to get back online. So the next thing that you can try doing if the date and time reset solution did not work for you is just to simply go ahead to your Wi-Fi settings again and go ahead and search the Wi-Fi that you're connected to currently and click the settings icon and forget the network. So all you need to do is just forget the network and then wait for it to show up on the list again. And once you see the network on the list, go ahead and type in the password and connect to the Wi-Fi normally. So I've typed in my password and I've clicked connect, and as you can see, I'm connected normally to my internet again. And if this does not work for you, let's move on to the next solution. So for the next solution, you have to go back to your Wi-Fi settings again and then click on the settings icon again and then forget the network. So once you've forgotten the network, what you want to do is click on the network again, and now you want to go on to these advanced options. So once you're in the advanced options, scroll down and you will find the IP settings first. So go ahead and change this IP settings to static. And once we have that, you will also find that you can use a randomized MAC address. So when you use a randomized MAC address, it will ensure that you cannot get blacklisted on the Wi-Fi router. So if someone has blacklisted your Android device, by randomizing the MAC address, it will help you to connect to the Wi-Fi irrespective of anyone having blocked you. So using this setting will help you a lot. And now since we have done the static IP setting, go ahead and type in an IP address. So it needs to be 192.168.1. Any other number right here from 0 to 255. So I'll go ahead and type an IP address right here. There you go. So you can type any address here that you want. So these three numbers remain the same. The last one can be random. So go ahead and scroll down and you'll find DNS1 and DNS2. Make sure that these are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. So I'll just go ahead and type that as well. So once you have all these settings configured, all you want to do is just also obviously put in the password. So once you've input the password and all the settings are done, just go ahead and click connect normally. And this should help solve your Wi-Fi problem and it should hopefully connect normally. So yeah guys, that's all for today. This was a simple trick to let you know how you can connect back to Wi-Fi, and I hope this helped you. If this helped you, please do share it with your friends and family who may be struggling with Wi-Fi issues. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.